So many different applications. AIS's installation machines handle more than just O-rings. They can also easily install snap rings and a variety of seals. The ASP-2, designed for large diameter O-rings. In response to specific customer requirements, this ASP-2 features a larger oil reservoir, a sensor for low lubricant levels, a sensor for low feeder bowl levels, and an outer diameter lubrication feature. Each streamlines the installation process and enhances production efficiency. The ASP-1, designed for smaller rings. This ASP-1 was customized with a black Teflon coating on both the bowl and feeder magazine, reducing friction and enhancing the feed efficiency of small O-rings. Additional air assists were integrated to ensure the seamless handling of these tiny components, highlighting our commitment to finding solutions to our customers' needs. Specialized ASP-1 made for seals. The customization journey for this ASP-1 overcame a minor challenge, ensuring the proper orientation of the seals as they transition from the feeder bowl into the magazine. Something our team is very used to dealing with. This ASP-1 showcases the engineering skill needed to meet specific client needs. Specialized ASP-1 for snap rings. Unlike the standard model, this ASP-1 has been enhanced with additional head assemblies and feeder bowls, enabling the installation of both O-rings and various types of snap rings from the same unit.